What's up guys, back for another video. Today we have 3 packs to open. Let's go. So, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see, but that is a 82 times 20 rare players pack. So we're gonna go ahead and submit this. So we actually have 3 packs to open. So I'm gonna zoom out a bit. We're gonna go to the store. Sorry if it's backwards. Let's start with the small election players pack. Right. Centre back Swinya. Walkout Swinya, that's a good start. Let's go, walkout. Any dangles? No. No dangles. Right. Up next we have the Group C Essentials pack, which we could get Lewandowski or Messi. Oh, thought that was a pack of glory. You get Vega. No Argentinian players there. Right, now for the big boy. The big juicy. Yes! Yes. Yay! Path to Glory. 2 walkouts. This is just unbelievable. 1, 2, 3 82s. That's gonna be it today, guys. Thanks. Peace. Make sure to like and subscribe.